The Cornell is part of Santee Village. It's all buildings from the 1920s have been converted into live, work spaces, shared amenities on all the rooftops. So unit 404 here at the Cornell, fully furnished, good size space, 960 square feet, little closet here just inside the door, smart lock, never lock yourself out, stainless fridge, lots of cabinets, really good setup here. This is your traditional loft kind of layout, but the owners have divided it to separate that bedroom. Kitchen is fully equipped, so all the housewares that you need, if you need pots and plants and cleaning supplies, it's all here. Gas range, which is nice, microwave, little toaster, stainless dishwasher, plates, bowls, really is just show up with your clothes. These are the original steel cantilevered windows. It's a historic building. Concrete floors, huge living area, big kind of sectional here, giant 55-inch TV, high ceilings, good light, a little bit of artwork, washer, dryer in unit, shower over tub, really nice. Nice thing about the layout here also, there's no view, but because it's situated in between this building and the Eckert, you don't get as much street noise, which some people like, more quiet living for downtown. Here is the bedroom. Big, giant closets. King size, maybe queen size bed. Ceiling fan. Once again, you got this concrete, high ceiling, industrial loft vibe going on. It's very spacious, very comfy living. Owners lived here for many years, but moved out of state. It's available now, easy to show. Let me know if it's a fit and we can schedule something. Thanks for inquiring.